Digestive disease affects 60 to 70 million people globally. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall health as it acts as a second brain. Inadequate digestion can lead to brain fog, fatigue, and lack of essential nutrients. Eating foods like turmeric, cheese, beans, and sweet potatoes can improve gut health. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious snack with fiber, probiotic properties, healthy fats, and polyphenols. They promote gut health and are used by good bacteria as fuel. Share your favorite healthy or unhealthy snacks. Asparagus. Asparagus is a rich source of probiotic which feed beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and outnumbering harmful ones as they remain unchanged in the colon, making them beneficial. Flax seed. Flax seeds are a gentle laxative that can relieve constipation by expanding when combined with water. 1 tablespoon dissolved in water is recommended, and flaxseed may also benefit for microbiome. Blackberries. Blackberries are great for gut health because they are packed with fiber, which helps keep your digestion smooth and regular. They also contain antioxidants and polyphenols that support healthy gut bacteria. These nutrients reduce inflammation and protect your gut lining, promoting a balanced and happy digestive system. Adding blackberries to your diet can be a delicious way to support overall gut health. Oats. Oats are great for gut health because they are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. This supports a healthy gut microbiome, aids digestion, and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. Eating oats regularly can also help prevent constipation and keep your stomach feeling comfortable and balanced. Turmeric. Turmeric are potent spice with curcumin, is anti-inflammatory and cancer fighting. It protects the gastrointestinal lining and positively impacts gut bacteria, and it's beneficial for treating gastric disorders like inflammatory bowel disease and colorectal cancer. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a delicious root vegetable rich in vitamin A, essential for maintaining intestinal health and immune system. They contain antioxidants and may prevent colon cancer. Digestible, they can be used in various dishes including soups, gluten-free baked goods, and can be roasted or mashed. Mint. Mint is great for gut health because it helps smoothen the stomach and improve digestion. Its natural compound can relax the muscles in your digestive tract, reducing issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Mint also supports healthy bile flow, which helps break down and improve nutrient absorption. Drinking mint tea or adding fresh mint to your meals is a simple way to keep your gut happy and healthy. Beans. Legumes, particularly beans, are rich in protein and carbs, benefiting gut health by stimulating digestion and feeding gut bacteria. They are commonly used in various dishes. Yogurt. Yogurt is a popular probiotic due to its high probiotic count. It's made up adding beneficial bacteria to milk, metabolizing lactose to form lactic acid. It's suitable for lactose intolerance individuals, and many companies now offer dairy-free and vegan yogurts with probiotics. Garlic. Garlic is great for gut health because it acts as a natural prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. It contains compounds like inulin, which promote a healthy balance of gut flora, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Garlic also has antimicrobial properties that help fight harmful bacteria, keeping your gut environment healthy and balanced. Including garlic in your meals can support overall digestive health in a simple, natural way. What foods tend to mess up your digestion? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.